Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send TRX from Kucoin to your Revolut account. Whether you're a crypto newbie or someone looking to manage your assets more efficiently, this 2025 update will make the process simple and secure. First things first, why do this? TRX is Tron cryptocurrency, and moving it from an exchange like Kucoin to Revolut lets you hold it in a user-friendly app for easier access or spending. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Log into your Kucoin account. Make sure you're using a secure device and enable two-factor authentication for extra safety. Once logged in, navigate to your wallet section and select TRX from your asset list. You'll see your balance there. Double-check that you have enough TRX to cover the transfer, including any network fees. Step 2. Go to the withdrawal page for TRX. This is usually under the Withdraw or Assets tab. Here, you'll need to enter the recipient address. Now, for Revolut, you'll have to get your TRX wallet address from the Revolut app. Open Revolut, go to your crypto section, select TRX, and copy the deposit address. Remember, TRX uses the Tron network, so ensure you select that when withdrawing from Kucoin to avoid any errors. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to send. Be precise. Start with a small amount if you're testing. Review the transaction details, including fees, which can vary based on network congestion. Once everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Kucoin. Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on the Tron network. Head back to Revolut and refresh your crypto balance to see if the TRX has arrived. If it doesn't show up, double-check the transaction on a blockchain explorer like TronScan. A quick tip. Always verify addresses to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. That could mean permanent loss. Also, keep an eye on gas fees, as they can add up. By 2025, with evolving crypto regulations, make sure your accounts are KYC compliant. There you have it, you've successfully sent TRX from Kucoin to Revolut. If you follow these steps, you'll avoid common pitfalls and handle your crypto like a pro. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video.